This is at the end of the video. I basically showed you what to do to modify this in case to get it to work. And I wish this stupid sucker would quit. I swear to God, none of my equipment works ever the way I want it to. But anyways, what happened was that a print that I just did, I'll just turn on, maybe that light will help somewhat. I was printing a piece for Fallout Wasteland Warfare board game, and the previous print, which was for the Doom BFG gun so that it sits on your desk, but I don't know if you can see, but right there next to the thick part of the wall to the right, there's like this little bit of like weird little buildup right there, and that's because of spots that have showed up, and I want to say it's roughly about in that area. So let me do the clear and it will light up the whole thing. I'll turn this light off, and as you can see, there's a spot there, and I know my camera's not focusing, but there's a spot there and a spot there, and that's roughly where it is. And this is the second time that this machine has had that issue. This is the replacement because of the first time that it did it, and I don't understand why it's like this. So I'm gonna send it back for my money back, and I'm gonna end up getting, or at least attempting to get, an Anycubic Photon, which is similar in build size. It's a little smaller this way and this way, but it's taller going this way. So this is just to add to the video. If you want to try this, you can. I've played with it way too many times, and I can't seem to get it to work right. So as far as the Monoprice MP Mini 3D printer, my personal recommendation is to stay away from it. It's definitely not an easy printer. Just got in, having a little problems trying to edit the video to blur out like IP addresses, MAC addresses, and my home network. That video is coming. I don't know when it's going to be. I've been experimenting with 3D printing. The piece that you saw before this is the fact of what happened to it. Hopefully it came out alright. It plays fine on my phone, but it's been having problems on my computer because, again, as in the earlier part, none of my equipment ever works the way I want it to. So, I have that coming. I also have a video on how to remove batteries that are swelled up inside of a rack-mountable UPS. I don't know which is going to hit first, if it's going to be the networking or the UPS. It just depends on which I can get filmed. And, well, the one's filmed, I just have to blur stuff out. And the other one just needs filmed and then edited once I get it filmed. So, yeah, right now things are just not working the way it is, but those are the upcoming videos that are coming. Just got to give me a little bit of time, and because I'm having problems. Then again, when don't I? But hey, thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a good day.